Warren Buffett versus Elon Musk, the battle of the billionaires, investment style and philosophy. Warren Buffett's value investing philosophy focuses on long-term investments in undervalued companies, while Elon Musk's approach is driven by visionary and disruptive investments in transformative technologies. Buffett emphasizes fundamental analysis and stability, while Musk prioritizes innovation and long-term growth potential. Their contrasting philosophies shape their investment strategies and guide their respective success in the business world. Introduction to Warren Buffett and Elon Musk. Providing an overview of Warren Buffett, the legendary investor known for his value investing philosophy, and Elon Musk, the innovative entrepreneur behind companies like Tesla and SpaceX. Business ventures. Comparing the business ventures of Warren Buffett and Elon Musk reveals distinct approaches and industries. Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway conglomerate encompasses diverse investments, including insurance, consumer goods, and utilities, with a focus on established and stable businesses. In contrast, Musk's ventures, such as Tesla, SpaceX, and SolarCity, revolve around cutting-edge technologies like electric vehicles, space exploration, and renewable energy. While Buffett's strategy centers on established industries, Musk pursues disruptive innovations, contributing to the contrasting nature of their business ventures. Risk appetite. Warren Buffett adopts a conservative risk management style, preferring established companies with stable cash flows. Elon Musk, on the other hand, demonstrates a higher risk appetite, taking bold bets on disruptive innovations and embracing uncertainty. Buffett prioritizes capital preservation, while Musk embraces risk as an essential part of pushing boundaries and achieving ambitious goals. Financial performance. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has consistently delivered strong financial performance, capitalizing on value investments and generating significant returns for shareholders. In contrast, Elon Musk's financial performance has been a mix of notable successes, like Tesla's remarkable growth and market valuation, and challenges related to production, market expectations, and industry dynamics. Musk's ventures in electric vehicles, space exploration, and renewable energy demonstrate potential but operate in industries with unique financial dynamics. Overall, Buffett's performance emphasizes stability and value, while Musk's reflects disruptive innovation and growth potential. Philanthropy and social impact. Warren Buffett's philanthropy focuses on education, healthcare, and poverty alleviation through the Giving Pledge. Elon Musk's initiatives include advancing renewable energy and space exploration. Both billionaires aim to make a lasting social impact by leveraging their resources and expertise for the betterment of society. Public image and communication. Warren Buffett is celebrated for his humble and relatable public image, conveying his investment insights in a straightforward manner. In contrast, Elon Musk's public image is polarizing, seen as a visionary with bold goals, often communicating directly and candidly through social media. Both have captured public attention and represent contrasting styles reflective of their personalities and industries. Popularity and influence. Warren Buffett's popularity and influence stem from his long-standing reputation as a successful investor and his philanthropic efforts. Elon Musk's popularity and influence arise from his groundbreaking ventures in electric vehicles, space exploration, and renewable energy, capturing the attention of technology enthusiasts and the public. Lessons learned. Lessons learned from Warren Buffett include the value of long-term investing, the importance of understanding the fundamentals of a business, the benefits of patience and discipline, and the significance of capital preservation. Lessons learned from Elon Musk include the power of bold vision and thinking outside the box, the importance of taking calculated risks, the potential for disruptive innovation to reshape industries, and the value of perseverance and resilience in the face of challenges. Please like and share. Also subscribe to my channel to get more professional development content like this. Thank you.